Today I'm going to show you how to build fuelless generator 1 kVA, trusted and tested, working free, without fuel, without oil, without water, without diesel. It's running by itself. Then I will teach you how to build it from beginning to the end without any mistake. You can do this. Me too, I can do it. It's very easy thing. Yes, now I'm going to explain everything about this fuelless generator for you to know how you are going to build your own fuelless generator at home. Yeah, come, come. Yeah, no matter what you do here. This is a 1 kVA coil. This coil is 1 kVA coil. Then this is a DC motor. This DC motor is a 12-volt DC motor. As you people can see, I removed this coil from a Tiger generator. I passed my neighbor to do this fuelless generator, and this coil can power some like tray fan with a plasma, CD, home theater, yeah, at home. But this cannot power your fridge. This cannot power your AC. Yeah, this is not a problem. I will teach you how to build this one, and I will test it for you. You will see that it's working. Yeah, this coil is a 1 kVA coil. This coil is a 1 kVA coil, and this coil, I comot this coil from my Tiger generator to construct a fuelless generator. Yeah, this DC motor is 12 volts, and this coil is 12 volts. When you want to build your fuelless generator, you will have to find a DC motor that is 12 volts and the coil that is 12 volts. Then the speed is matter. Yeah, the speed is matter. This coil is 2000 speed, and this DC motor is 2000 speed. Then if you want to build your own, you can use 2000 speed DC motor and 12 volt, and then you can use 2500 for the 2500 speed DC motor for the 1 kVA coil. Yeah, and this thing I'm going to test it to show you. And this code that is here, bring the camera. The code that is here, you are going to meet a welder that's going to build a code for you to connect the DC motor and the coil together. To connect the DC motor and the coil together, then you see this hanger. This hanger it's made by welder that will use to connect the DC motor and the coil together. When the fuelless generator is working, the DC motor can't come out. Yeah, this is a fuelless generator. Now I'm going to test it that you can see that it's working. Can power hose fan, can power home theater, can power CD, then can power something like tray fan and plasma together. But this cannot power. This fuelless generator 1 kVA cannot power fridge, cannot power AC, but can on your bulbs. Some like 10 bulbs. This 1 kVA can on 10 bulbs, and this one now is not working. That you are going to expect maybe it's going to stop. Unless you stop it, it's working free, always free. I said it. Then if you want to know more about this, you can text me or comment to my YouTube channel. This is not a bad thing. You can call my number to comment to my YouTube channel and ask anything about this. I will let you know. I promise you. Yeah. Now I'm going to test it to see that this 1 kVA fuelless generator is power hose fan. Yeah, you are going to see it, and later you are going to see how it power home theater, fan, plasma, and bulbs. Yeah. Now I'm going to test this one out, that you are going to see that this Joshua man, well, that this fuel generator is going to power this hose fan now without fuel, without anything. But all you have to need to do with this fuel generator is battery. Yeah, but this battery is for just testing. When you want to buy a battery for your fuel generator, you buy at 50 amps for 1 kVA or 75 amps for your 1 kVA fuel generator. This battery is 8.5 amps and it is original battery. That's why it can power this thing. Then when you are doing your fuel generator, you will need strong battery, and you will connect your charger back to the battery. That's because when the fuel generator is working, the battery will not be going down. The charger will connect to the battery, that the battery will be working always without going down. Yeah, now I'm going to show you how everything works. Yeah, I connect my wire from the DC motor. See, this is the wire from the DC motor. This is the wire from the DC motor. And this wire now, this is a plus, positive. This positive and this negative. This plus, this minus. I plug everything together. This wire running to the extension box. So kind of shoes, mommy. And now what, man? This wire run to the extension box. Then this hose fan plug to the extension box, as you can see. Plug to the extension hose, as you can see. Working directly. Just wait and watch how the fuel generator works. Yeah, I'm going to plug this wire now to the wire that's come from the fuel generator. Yeah. One. Two. This wire now go to the load. This is a load wire. This wire, you can put this direct wire to your changeover. You can put this two wire to your changeover, then you can plug it directly like this to the extension bus. Yeah, now I'm going to test this. Now I'm going to test this fuel generator for you, that see that this is working without fuel, without oil, without diesel. It's working free. This is a free generator, fuelless generator. When you connect this battery, then this is a diode wire. This is a diode connection wire. Yeah, this one now you are going to buy a diode and connect this to the diode. When you go to anywhere that they are selling generator parts, you will see diode, and buy this diode to connect this wire to the diode and to the battery to be charging the battery back, so your battery cannot be going down for the fuel generator. This will be working always. You cannot be expecting that when this your fuel generator is working, it's going to shut down. No. When you connect this diode to the battery and the battery was charging back, everything will be working free. You can use this 24 hours. Yes, I use this. I test it with a hose fan. Then I test it in my room. To let all you people know, after testing it with this hose fan, I'm going to test it in my room for you to see how it works. Yeah. Okay, let's go. As I said, this wire go to the extension bus. Yeah. Then these two wire go to the battery. This is positive and this is negative. Please make sure positive go to the positive terminal of the battery, and make sure the negative go to the negative terminal of the battery. Don't mistake of this, so you can bring a normal current for the light. Now I'm going to show you how this work. Yeah, now I'm going to connect the battery. I'm going to connect the battery now to start the fuelless generator, so you can see how it works with the hose fan. Yeah, I very did the mistake here to connect it like this, because I have to use a clip But now I'm not with click down. I want you people to see this thing in this morning today on the 29th October of 2021 to make you people have more idea and to build your own fuelless generator. Yeah, because now we are suffer of light in this country. Then I don't want all my fans and my friends to suffer for light in this country. So you can build your own fuelless generator and be using it free without spending much, so that everything will be okay. Yeah. Now start. Now I'm going to plug it for you to see how it works. Yeah. Start. As you can see, it's working. As you can see, fuel generator is working. It's working without fuel, without oil, and the power hotline is working. It's free. Nothing is there. As you can see, everything is working. It goes direct to the battery, and the battery goes direct to the hotline. Everything is working. The fuel generator is working. Now I'm going to stop this and let you know that the fuel generator is working. Right there.